I'm starting a bit different. I like games. They're kind of my favorite. When I mean my favorite, I mean actually favorite. But, I want to start a bit new. I'm still gonna make bird videos. I love making my birds. As you can see in the background, probably you can hear my birds. But maybe once it's tamed, I'll change a bit more. Because right now they're not really tame because I changed to, I was in Philippines and I went to Belgium, that nonsense. So birds there and birds there, blah blah blah. Having a hard time. Having a hard time. I want to change a bit my content since I don't upload. I know some of you don't watch my videos. I mean, after a couple of subscribers, they don't watch me. They probably have notifications, which will be very appreciated. I'll be starting editing videos thanks to King Master. Full credit goes to them. It's probably on the top left right there. What's the name of the app? You can go and search it. I don't know how to do credit because I'm dumb. Hey, this channel of games with like a gun, see like heavy sniper. If you're choose to unsubscribe, I don't mind. That's your choice. Unsubscribe is yours. I'm so sure of that. This channel, I've been playing this game for maybe around a couple of years back. It was Seasons. If you know this game, you know the scenes of the game. But I came back to the game, hit the match level no damn time, and I'm back with this game because I'm bored of more. I really like it. I do. This one's starting with new content. I know my bird video is one of the most popular, my first one, my very first bird. You can check out my channel, you can see later where it is. Well, the reason why I'm starting this new content is because I'm bored. I love YouTube. I watch it every day. I love people. YouTube inspired me. I'm gonna start a bit small, Like I like this game. And I wanna play Fort. I almost played 24. 7 is this. So yeah, you can understand, I hope. I'll do like gun reviews, like I did with the Wolf Fighter review later. I'll be showing that later a bit. That'll be coming. It's your choice to unsubscribe. I don't really care about subscribers. I'm more for the... Can I hit this guy? Oh my god. Here we go, I'm dead. I'm not gonna talk much. I'm still gonna try and get used to it. I already know a bit more how to use it. Still don't know how to add music into it. Sooner or later I will know. I'm still gonna do bird videos. There's no problem with that. It's just kind of getting old. My birds are tame, then I do like funny videos and all, like funny clips. I will do it. I will do it. But for now, nah. I'm gonna change a bit because I'm not here for money or for subscribers. I'm gonna be funny videos. I don't care what to say or anything, but it's your choice. starting editing, I'm gonna do like all sort of random stuff. I mean, I'm just gonna do random stuff. I'm gonna do random stuff. And then same content over and over again. So, I mean, I don't mind subscribing, but I do want to live stream one day. Oops. Did not mean to click there. I did not watch the video. Can I go forward, please? Game. Hello? Thank you. I'm gonna do random things, like if I meet something weird, like, I don't know, a random bird that's from nowhere, I'll raise it. The mother. I can do those videos. I will try to do my best to edit good. I hope you enjoy this video and hope you understand how I change my content. I always want to be one of these kind of YouTubers. Gaming, maybe a bit half vlogging a bit, you know. Of course, if I hit 1K, I will not do a review of my face, which you probably seen one of my videos. But I will do a review of my toes. Yeah, you think I ever like one of those YouTubers that's doing a face review? Nah, I'm not that kind of guy. I'm gonna review my toes. Sounds weird, I know. I hope you enjoyed. If you know this game, it's my ID, my clan. I mean, not the leaderboard right now, because we're going against these mad paper grinders. Dude, there you go again. I changed my name so I don't get targeted, because I have a point when I get targeted. Yeah, that's it. I hope you enjoyed. Leave a like and subscribe. It'll be very appreciated. I'm not here for the money, which I don't even want money. I don't care about money, practically. And, yeah, I hope you enjoy it. Peace out and have a great day. I hope you understand, and, yeah. Peace out.